Hi everyone, welcome to our video for today. This is Lean. I'm a mompreneur and an online coach. So, ang topic natin for today is all about Canva. So, paano nga ba tayo kikita sa Canva? So, number one tip na pwede kong ibigay sa inyo is that you can sell Canva templates. So, pwede kang mag-design and you can also sell Canva templates for mga social media posting, mga presentations, pwede din naman yung mga business cards or resumes. So, platform katulad ng Etsy, katulad ng mga social media, okay, and also your own website, pwede kang magbenta through those platform. Okay, next one is you can offer design services. So, offer custom design services katulad ng creating graphics for SMEs or mga businesses such as logos, mga brochures, social media posting, and of course yung mga ads. And another thing is you can also advertise your services through Upwork, pwede rin naman sa Fiverr, or if you have your own portfolio website. Okay. Next, number three is that you can become a Canva affiliate. So you can join Canva's affiliate program commissions by sharing your unique link. Okay, so referral link na pwede mong i-post sa social media mo, pwede rin naman sa YouTube channel, or sa mga blog mo. Okay, next one na pwede mong gamitin ang Canva para kumita ka is through selling digital products. So, pwede kang mag-design or use Canva to design yung kunyari mga planners, mga journals, mga t-shirts, and also invitations. So, sell this digital downloadables also. Pwede rin itong ibenta sa Etsy, sa Gumroad, or pwede rin sa Shopify. 'Di ba? So, ang dami nating pwedeng gawin sa Canva, no? Just maximize it lang. Next one is you can also create and sell in Canva. Or pwede kang mag-create and mag-sell ng mga online courses. Okay? If you are a skilled Canva user, you can also sell courses or tutorials about Canva designs or how to design. Okay, so paano ka magbebenta nun? You can create through Udemy or even YouTube, or perfect for monetizing your educational content. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check nyo na yung link below for having your Canva account, and of course for creating a Canva designs as your portfolio para maging virtual assistant, or pwede na naman maka-offer ka ng mga services. So, I hope nakatulong tong video na to para sa aking mga new subscribers. Pwede mo lang i-click ang link below, follow ka lang, comment, and share this video para ma-notify ka tuwing ako ay mag-share ng video. Happy sharing!